You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is the past tense of the verb to eat. And yes, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. The most common one, especially in the US, is pronounced as ate, just like the number. But in the UK, as in the British RP accent, it is also very commonly, especially among previous generations or less young generations, pronounced et, as in I ate an apple this morning. So you can say either et or ate. English pronunciation, et or ate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.